Hey everybody, this has been Angelica and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. At kung bago ka pa lang to support my vlog, please don't forget to hit or click on the subscribe and bell button or icon so every time na may panibago akong content at kung ano-anong content na mayroon ako dito sa aking channel, you guys are updated all the time. So, in today's video, wala tayong ibang gagawin kung hindi ang magluto. At a little later, we will gonna do a little mukbang as well sa aking niluto. So, I'll be cooking like two menu or dish, which is the Parmesan garlic chicken. And this is for my husband. So, anyway, I already marinated it, guys, sa special sauce. If you wanted the recipe, just simply comment down on below, okay? So, I would be happy to share it with you guys. So, ayan, pasensya na medyo kulang-kulang pa ang aking, the way that I edited my videos, the way that I put descriptions, yeah, so pasensya naman. So, it's really hard to actually do the filming by myself. Well, anyway, ayan nga guys, so, I will be silent a little bit and I just wanted you as well like to enjoy yung pagka ASMR ng ating pagluluto. Enjoyin lang natin tunog ng pagtalsik-talsik ng mantika. So, ayan nga guys, i-prepare ko itong Parmesan garlic chicken with buttered garlic rice. Of course, with parsley. Dried parsley, okay? So, masarap kasi yung sinangag pag alam niyo na may butter, maraming garlic, and tapos sprinkle lang ng konting salt, pepper, and parsley. Then, ayun, bongga. Ang sarap-sarap na ng sinangag or fried rice natin. Well, anyway, I let you guys enjoy the sounds of, frying this chicken. And again, one more time, kung gusto nyo yung recipe, I will be so happy and proud to share it with you guys. Just simply put a comment down in the comment section. And yeah, I will be silent a little bit and I will go back a little later. Okay, so just enjoy. And yeah, I hope that you like this video as well. And I would be so happy to share a lot of like cooking episode or session if you would love to see some. And again, I will be doing some nail video tutorials soon. And again, for the nail video tutorial guys, and like for the makeup tutorial, that would be for like English. But I mean, for some other videos, it could be Taglish or just pure Tagalog lang. Well, anyway, that's it. And I'll go back with you a little later, guys. So I hope that you are gonna enjoy, and hopefully that you are gonna like as well and ask me about how I prepared it or how I marinated it. Okay, so yeah, we'll see you a little later.
Are you on WhatsApp? How long you here in a bit?
Hmm?
watch the Flamin' Hot in here or in
There.
in
Kitchen. Ay, sala. Sala.
living room?
Oh. Okay. until they get done over here. You put it a little lower. Lower, lower.
Well, you watch both.
Ooh, it's masarap. Ang mabango. Ganyan.
You have to steady his hand.
Oh, we have to lipat here. We have to this way.
Yeah, you definitely gotta edit videos. Why not record both?
Don't record me.
I just can't do nothing right now.
It's okay. You can watch me. It's okay. I'm okay. Thank you, babe. Oh, just wait for me then. I'm almost done cooking. I'm almost done cooking. Can you do me a favor? Kindly wash this. Explain po. You can get one. You don't like the big plate?
I'll leave it right there. I'll leave it right there.
Don't you like to have the big plate?
It don't matter, it's all gonna fit in there.
Ah, okay. Only the rice lang naman. Be fine.
Our mom says you just have to stay with it till the end. So in other words, part might have a boring song.
Babe ko, your food is ready. Well, anyway, so ayan, nakalimutan ko pala siyang i-open but nothing to worry about kasi marami naman tayong nilagay na garlic kanina. So, let's skip na lang yan. And ayan, this Italian seasoning guys is masarap together with the, or combined with parsley flakes. So, ayun nga guys. As in, I mean, nakakapagpasarap talaga siya. Malalasahan nyo siya sa sauce ninyo. So, together with the mixture of the beef, yung juiciness ng beef, and yung mga herbs or ayan, mga seasonings na pinaglalagay natin at bonggang-bonggang sarap nga. And of course, ayun nga guys, a little bit of pepper. Well, anyway, namiss ko talaga yung Filipino sweet spaghetti sauce. Kaya naman, syempre, lalagyan natin yun ng bonggang-bonggang asukal mamaya. Hindi naman madami yung sakto lang kasi hindi rin masarap pag sobrang tamis, 'di ba? So, ayan nga guys, actually malapit na to. Malapit na tong maluto. So, entayin lang natin siyang magkulo-kulo para lutong-luto yung karne yung karne. So, ayan. Anyway, nahihirapan talaga akong mag-film gamit itong aking tablet kasi sobrang laki. Kaya pag hawak-hawak ko ng kaliwang kamay ko, so, ayan, nagalaw-galaw din siya. Kapag nagmo-move ako or may kinukuha akong bagay-bagay dyan sa paligid-ligid. So, well, anyway, yan nga, nilalagyan na natin ng parsley powder. And, ayan guys, actually, wala naman akong measurement dito. I mean, tansya-tansya lang. And, pero, anyway, parati naman ako nagluluto nito dito. Every time na nagka-crave ako ng mga Filipino food. So, ayun nga. Kasi, kung mapapansin nyo, medyo madami-dami rin yung serving kasi paborito din ito ng aking Diyosawa dahil nung natikman niya, ay, sarap na sarap siya na bonggang-bongga. So, ayan nga, ito actually, nakakapagpasarap din itong itong tomato sauce na ito. Ito na yung, 6 cheese tomato sauce from Ragu. Well, ayan, nagustuhan ko talaga siya kasi parang pero nag-a-add pa rin ako ng cheese guys, yung Velveeta, pakita ko sa inyo. So, 2 slices, ayan na nga, ilalagay natin. So, 2 slices niya, normally for namin to, ginagamit ko to mostly for making or doing a grilled cheese sandwich. O, ayan guys, ito siya, Velveeta slices. So, ayun nga. Nag-a-add ako ng 2 slices, pero of course, depende sa dami ng beef nyo and as well as doon sa may tomato sauce. Well, ayan na, naglagay tayong asukal, pero ang hirap maglagay pagka itong kutsarita lang ang ating gamit, so ibuhos na lang natin gamit ito, sarili niyang packaging. Well, so ayan, ibuhos na lang natin ng konti. Well, anyway, ayan, napadami. As you can see nga, sabi ko sa inyo guys, wala naman akong measurement. So, timpla-timpla lang. And then, okay na. Siyempre, pag masarap, pwede na, ba diba? So, ayan nga. Hintayin lang natin mag-melt yung cheese. And then, after that, i-mix-mix lang natin and pakuluan. If needed, mag-add ng a little like water or like salt and pepper. Ayun, add lang guys. So, ayan na nga guys, dahil luto na ang ating spaghetti sauce or spaghetti pasta spaghetti sauce. Ayan, syempre, ipe-prepare ko na ang aking, syempre, kakainin lang na enough for me. And then, ang aking Diyosawa ay natutulog pa as of the moment. Kaya, yung akin lang munang plate ang aking lalagyan. Well, anyway, yun. Ganyan lang. Hindi naman marami, hindi din konti. Yung sakto lang. Kasi, pwede pa naman umulit-ulit mamaya. At saka, naku, pag-gising nun, magmamadali na naman yun. Kaya, yun, mamamadali na naman ako. Kaya, konti lang muna. Mamaya na lang ulit tayo kakain ng bonggang-bongga. Or, ang ginagawa ko, lalo na pag ako ay sumasama sa kanya, most of the time. So, piniprepare ko yung gusto kong pagkain. Kasi, yun, minsan, hindi naman nakakapag-stop ka agad. And minsan malayo yung layover. Well, anyway, yan na nga. Maglagay tayo ng konting parmesan. Well, ayan. Ay, napadami. So, ayan. Ayan yung favorite ko na Parmesan cheese, guys. Grated na siya. And then, kung gusto nyong ilagyan ng Italian seasoning, it's up to you, optional. And then, ako normally parsley flakes lang. So, ayan nga. Sprinkle lang natin or tak-tak-tak-tak lang natin ng konti. And then, ayan, okay na yan. And masarap yan i-pair with some Coke, Pepsi, but I will pair it with Dr. Pepper. Yung strawberry and cream, that's my favorite one. So, ayan na nga, guys. Let's do a little mukbang. So, ayan. This is my favorite glass na ang aking asawa ay tuwang-tuwa pag pinapagamit ako ng mga bagay-bagay na from the state niya. So, ayan nga. Kakain na tayo, guys. At mamaya paggising na yun ay magmamadali na naman yun. So, let's get started. Siyempre, mag-thank kay God for the blessings, especially for the food and health. Okay, so let's get started to eat. So, bon appetit! So, ayan nga guys, naramdaman kong bumangon na siya. So, meaning gising na siya. So, kaya nagmamadali na tayo. Well, anyway, hindi na natin tatapusin itong, I cannot able to film the whole thing dito sa aking pagmumukbang, guys. But nothing to worry about. Next time na lang ulit. We will gonna do that. But before that, I wanted to show you a glimpse of, ayun. Kasi, nagpapahanap din siya sa akin ng packages, ng vacation sa Bahamas. Kasi, ayun nga, gusto niyang magbakasyon kami sa Bahamas this year. And, ayan, magtitingin-tingin tayo. And also, ayun, sa Las Vegas nga. So, ayun, magtitingin-tingin tayo, guys. Para, ayun, syempre, ma-enjoy naman natin. Hopefully, summertime. Pero, of course, depende sa, so, ayan nga yan, guys. Nagtitingin-tingin ako ng nice islands and beaches around those areas and that particular state. So, ayun, hopefully, summertime na lang. Kasi, Diyos ko, pag ngayon, guys, parang di may enjoy kasi sobrang lamig. Lalo pa dito nagtutunawang snow. Well, anyway, papakita ko sa inyo. And sa next video ko, itutour ko kayo and papakita ko sa inyo nung nag-snowstorm and after yung snowstorm. So, that would be my next content, guys. So, ayun, abangan nyo yon. So, ayan nga, madali na ang lola nyo. Dahil ayan, ako, magmamadali na naman yun. At sasabihin na naman ng go, go, go. Ganon siya kapag ang bilis-bilis nila talaga ditong kumilos ng sobra. Kaya, pagka mabagal ka, sobrang mag-a-adjust ka talaga. Well, anyway, it's a good practice din naman. And, ayun. Ayun nga, guys. So, hanggang dito na lang. At, ayun, pakita ko sa inyo sa labas saglit. So, ayan na nga, guys. O, diba? Bonggang-bongga. Well, anyway, Awa ng Diyos ay ganyan lang. Sa ibang state, Diyos ko po, 7 inches yata at papataas ang snow. Well, anyway, ayan nga guys, that's pretty much it in today's video, and abangan nyo ang aking next content. And thank you all for watching, and I will gonna see you all on my next video. Love you all guys, and God bless. Sana nag-enjoy kayo.